was invented by Louis Braille. Okay, so Louis Braille, first he could see. At the age of 3, he lost his vision. So when his uh, father was when his father was working, Louis Braille was playing with the needle. So what he did, he poked his eyes with that needle. He was playing with that needle, and he poked his eyes, and he lost his vision for one eyes. Then slowly he lost the other eyesight. So he did not know what to do. So he thought that he should do something for the visually impaired community. So at the age of 15, he invented this Braille system. Braille. Okay. So the Braille consists of 6 dots. Okay, 6 dots. And out of these 6 dots, we can write all the letters of English. Not only English, all the other languages also. English, Kannada, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, even foreign languages also. So yeah, out of the 6 dots, we can write all the letters in Braille. So I have written till Z. Okay. So see, this is A, B, A. Okay. See here. Okay. Now we can see it. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. In one line only I have written. Then next line K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Next line U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so what will happen when we write? We'll write it from right hand side. When we read, we'll read it from the left hand side. Okay, so with this, we'll write all the Kannada, English, or Hindi, all the alphabets we can write.